So guys, we've got a beautiful SCM Superset coming out the workshop. Gone through the whole machine as we always do. We've replaced bearings, belts, seals where we need to change seals. The machine is in fantastic condition. Let me run through it and show you what we have. So this is a 5-head Superset machine. What's very nice about this machine is that it's got a universal head on the last head. So this head can be tilted in any orientation that you want it to be tilted on. Do a multi-ripping on the last head, to profiling on the left side, on the right side, top side, or wherever you need this universal cutter, you can adjust it to where you need it to go, and it can fit into your operation. This machine here has digital display on the width, on the side cutters, and on the top cut on the end. So if you need to change those settings, you just change them and it shows you what your settings are there. Super easy when it comes to setting up the machine for your next operation, next sizing. Really nice machine. If you look at the back, so as I said, all the motors, new bearings throughout all the motors, new bearings in the shaft, new bolts throughout the whole machine. When you're getting a reconditioned molder from GFP Machines, you're getting a machine that's really worked on to the highest degree. We take this seriously. We want you to have the best machine possible. This machine has got a fantastic electrical box. The brains of this machine is original condition. It comes with the manual. So it's like you're buying a brand new machine at half the price. Let's get this machine started up. Let's do a couple of planks through it and let's see how it works. So as you can see, set up beautifully. This is the quality we expect from every machine that comes out of our workshop. Give us a shot. We want to help you. We want to make sure you have the best machine possible.